born from the fires of hell. Arcadia, the prototype forged to slay, leaving nothing but ashes in a wake today. Darkness, she cuts through the night, a predator lurking, ready to bite with cutting-edge railguns. She fires with wrath, super torpedoes unleashed on a deadly path. Twin dorsal cannon shining with dread, capable of crushing ships twice her size dead. In the silence of space, hear her engines roar. Imperial warship, a harbinger of war. Arcadia, fierce and raw, she'll conquer the stars. A predator's law, ruthless and sleek. She stalks her prey, embracing the chaos. She'll lead the fray. Pirates and renegades cower in fear when she sets out. The end is near. With shields like a fortress, she'll guard her crew. An indomitable fighter with nothing to lose. In the cold depths of space, a nightmare takes flight. Arcadia, destroyer, the reaper of night. She crushes opponents with merciless ease. A battle cruiser's heart in a destroyer's peace. Arcadia, fierce and raw, she'll conquer the stars. A predator's law, ruthless and sleek. She stalks her prey, embracing the chaos. She'll lead the fray. When she leaves the dock, a ghost of the past, with an iron will, her fangs are cast. Through the void she roams, a hunter's embrace. Every enemy shattered, no mercy, just haste. In the grip of the night, she'll weave and she'll dart. With a whisper of death, she strikes at the heart. Small but mighty, she dances in grace, and wherever she wanders, she'll lay to waste. Her crew stands united upon fortune fire. With Arcadia leading, they rise ever higher. Fighting together, they challenge their fate. This warship immortal to conquer the hate. Arcadia, fierce and raw, she'll conquer the stars. A predator's law, ruthless and sleek. She stalks her prey, embracing the chaos. She'll lead the fray. So tremble in fear, all those who shall see the Imperial warship, guardian of the free. In darkness she thrives, her legacy spun. Arcadia will fight, Arcadia will run. With a roar in the silence, and a flash in the void, the destroyer will hunt. The destroyer